Hello everybody, it's Captain Crow, and today I want to do a short video on sharpening hooks. One of my responsibilities as being a retired father and captain is to sharpen the hooks during the off season. Now we have a lot of treble hooks because we have a lot of spoons. First off, I could use a file and I could file every hook, but I'm not going to do that. That's what I did last year. This year, I'm gonna try something new. In one of my previous videos, you've seen I bought the Work Sharp Ken Onion knife and tool sharpener for my knives, and it works excellent. I got thinking, why not use this Ken Onion to do my spoons? You'll see I have lots of spoons to go through. I've already started some just to make sure the process was gonna work. And I got things set up. Okay, just a little disclaimer that the method I'm going to show you using the Work Sharp Ken Onion knife sharpener is going to be my method. It might not be suitable for you. You might prefer the file. However, I have two special made boxes with a combination of mags and standards, and we have super slims in another box. I have a lot of hooks to go through, so I'm just trying to speed up the process. And the Work Sharp sharpener works great on knives, so I thought I'm gonna try it on trebles, and I've already did a dozen spoons and it works great. So I just wanna put this video out to show you, and maybe it'll help you. So let's get started. Okay, first off, I've set my knife sharpener on slow. And also the sanding paper is going this way. Therefore, I'm going to be putting the hook so it gets sharpened on that side. If I did this side, guess what happens? It's going to go jam right in the paper. And I think I can show you that. There's some damage right there because it did go through once. So let's try this. I'm going to put it on. And I'm just putting light pressure, slow speed. Look at the hook, see if everything looks good. Everything looks good. Ah, there's that road toad. And I know it's gonna need sharpening because he's had a lot of fish. And I'm not squeezing the trigger all the way on the knife sharpener either. I'm just going nice and slow. Well, I wouldn't want them in my lips. They feel pretty good. And looking at the hook, I think this one is fairly good. So that's that one done. And number one producer, carbon 14. Let's give him a shot. I think that one's ready. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try this moonshine. So I'm going through all the moonshines right now. If you push too hard, that hook's gonna get hot. You don't want it hot because you gotta grab it. Nice. Nice. I think that's good. Looking at the hook, see if anybody's bent. Everybody's good. And one last one. Hook's good. I can see this has been doctored by Trevor with some Hyper-Vis ladder back and Hyper-Vis on the back. So this must be a good spoon. Anyways, it's all sharp. And keep that one out. Okay, so that's an example how I did 7 or 8 spoons. And I think it goes rather quick with the method I was using, and I hope that was useful to you. So this is medium grit paper, and you can see it's got a slice in it because I did try putting the hook up as the paper come down and it just jammed in and ripped it. So hey, life is about lessons, and I learned one there. So point down, paper down, should be good to go. Okay, so that's it. Everything's getting ready for spring. Yeah, so one more thing. Look at this guy, the iTroll Generation 3. I'm gonna have a video coming up on putting that on the boat, and that's gonna be a tremendous help controlling the RPM of our kicker instead of the side control. Like the video if you do, comment, if you get any comments. I love feedback. Subscribe and ring that bell, because when that video comes out for the iTroll, you wanna be notified. Thank you. Stay safe.